Let's continue the topic of Selenium concepts. We have something called as navigate in the driver, right? So once we do driver dot, we have navigate. And again, after we do dot, in the navigate, we have multiple methods. Something like if there's a page and if you want to go back or forward, or if you want to do refresh, if you want to wait and all those stuff, we also have that in the navigate. So for example, we have back equals forward. We can also get the hash code. We can do notify, refresh, navigate to, navigate wait. The most important things are back, forward, refresh, and to. Once we go navigate dot to, and then we can give any website. It's going to navigate to that particular website next. In terms of list of web elements command actions, for example, in the web element, we have click, the find element, find elements. The most important thing is get tag name, get text, is displayed, send keys, submit, and all those stuff. As we have already seen, the locators, we have something like ID, XPath, class name, partial text, link test, and all the stuff. To be very precise, in one slide, we have something like, as we have said, driver.navigate.to. We can give any website name. Navigate.back, navigate.refresh. For example, we have to locate with the help of ID. We can say driver.find element of by.id. We can give that particular ID which we have located. .clear or .submit, .send keys, and all those stuff. If we have multiple elements in a list, for example, so this is the syntax: list web element name, that is the alias, equal to driver.find elements. So if you observe, this is find elements. And then by dot locator strategy. In the locator strategy, you can put anything: XPath, ID, CSS selector, or whatever you want. Over here, we can put it. For example, like this: driver.find element by.id, the locator name, dot send keys of whatever text you want to send. We can also do validation on a checkbox, on a radio box, or whatever it is. How we're going to do is with the help of these three: is selected, or is displayed, or is it even enabled or not. So for example, for the select, once we do select dot, we'll be getting all these things. For example, deselect all, deselect by index. We know how to select it, right? Something like select by index, select by value. Let's say if you want to do the reverse, this is how we do it: deselect all, deselect by index, deselect by value, and all those stuff. And if you want to select all the options, we can do get all selected options. Right, get first selected option, we can do get first select. So there are multiple methods in the select dot. To select a value from the drop down, we can do select by index, or select by value, or select by the visible text. Whatever the visible text we can find it from the locators, we can do that. Let's say if you want to select multiple values, we're going to do that alias name dot is multiple. We can write a condition and we can say again the same as select by index, select by value. We can do manually select by index of 1, select by index of 2, like that we can do manually, and it's going to select it accordingly whatever we are given in the if condition. To deselect all or to deselect the value, as we have seen, we can do deselect all, deselect by index, and all the stuff. Again, so let's say there's a checkbox or there's a drop down value. So as in the inspect element, we can get option value 1 equal to 2 or something. So for example, blue. So that's how we are going to give blue, green. And now if you want to select something, so select visible, select by visible text, we can give white. And select by value, for example 6, if we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can get the purple one. We can also give by dot XPath, we can say. Select by index is again the index 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, the index by value or 6 select by value is the value over here, and the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Next implicit wait, we'll see it in the next video. Thanks.